a quick update on I gave like suggested trade setups that I was anticipating, and we had few wonderful trades this week. So one of the trades was gold. So we said we're gonna take go long opportunities in gold from around this low, and our target will be to this high, and our stop loss should be below this one. So because we're in this consolidation here, so we had this beautiful move to the upside. Target was hit, so that's one good trade. The other good trade was so the other trade that didn't go as planned was GPUSD. We see there was this break of structure right here. Then price came and retest, felt we went down a little bit, but when the market opened on Monday, we see this price break. So for those who entered the trade and moved their stop loss in break even, they got stopped out in break even. So it was still a wonderful trade for those who like trade last week, and but it became invalid. Let's see what's gonna happen this. And the other good trade was a perfect good trade was USD card. I gave an entry yesterday, so I said like, okay, USD card has to break through this consolidation. We had test of this liquidity level around here. Then I said like price has to come and break out of this consolidation retest, and we're gonna see a meltdown. So targets are still way down, but my first target was here, so I already closed my positions. This is also a wonderful trade. Uh, okay, so the other the other trade which I recommended was yeah, USD JPY. So USD JPY, they said we're gonna have a short setup from here to the downside. Then I kept my stop loss kind of tight, so we got stopped out. But still, we're seeing market is still respecting this lower high, testing the second time. We are forming kind of like this descending wedge, but we need a break to the downside. We need break of structure here for continuation to the downside. If it breaks up, then we're gonna see shift in momentum. So that was a good trade. Also, a trade that didn't go as expected. And normally when I give suggestion, is it means like you gotta like enter based on your confirmations. Like this is my ideas that I give, and I normally like it doesn't mean like I enter into these trade setups right away. I mean like I watch for different confirmations before entry. So USD Mexican peso, this was a wonderful trade also. Continuation to the downside as oil prices continue getting higher. We're gonna see Mexican peso also gain value. Wonderful trade. So that's it. For those who also AD USD, this was a fucking good trade. Look at this. So this was so beautiful. Like I anticipated. So I gave a suggestion like price could come all to this liquidity level at 78.6, but I was like, I couldn't see any momentum here, so I said, okay, probably going to see momentum on Monday, but price came and traced this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is the previous low here's, then received breakthrough. So that was a wonderful trade. Target was hit. Yeah. Thank you for following. If you have any questions, any analysis that you would like me to do, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you, and I'll be doing a lot of videos to help you guys. Thank